Uh-oh, that's definitely not a good sign. Alright, so if like me you have a DJI smart controller and then the power block, the charging block just die on you, what do you do? Well, you can either panic or just search for replacement like I did. So this is the original DJI smart controller block, so that's the original one. And then I wanted to find something that will charge my smart controller without any problem, and especially fast charge the remote controller. I did try already with my special GoPro fast charger, the charger block that I boot separately for my GoPro to charge all my GoPro equipment, and it's fast charge for the GoPro, it works well for the GoPro, but it does not work well on fast charge for the DJI smart controller. So each time that I was plugging my GoPro block to the smart controller, you can see the light is blinking very slowly. And of course, when I turn on the smart controller, so it complains immediately that the charge, the current charging speed is slow. I have to okay that, but yes. So that was not a good alternative to use. Well, it does charge my smart controller, except that it's slow. So better than nothing, I guess. But I really wanted to find the right power block. And I think after some research online, I think I did find the best one for the controller, for the smart controller. As a reminder, the smart controller uses a power block that output 5 volt at 3 amp or 3.6 to 8 volt at 3 amp as well. And of course 12 volt at 2 amps. So I had to find a power block that has at least those specifications. And here it is. Ta-da! The iClever. So, iClever, quick charge, quick USB while charging. Specification on this one are output at 3.6 to 6.5 volts at 3 amp, so that's great there. And then we have 6.5 to 9 volt at 2 amp and 9 to 12 volt at 2 amp. So that should do the trick. The iClever wall charger, that's how it arrived. I don't have the box, so I cannot do an unboxing for you guys, but that's how it arrived. It does not have any cable, just when you buy it, it's just the charger itself. I put the link in the description if you are interested. But here it is. And will it charge my smart controller, and will it charge it fast? Let's try it. All right, turn it off, smart controller. I'm going to disconnect my GoPro charging from it. So no more slow charging. Since there is no cable that comes with the iClever power block, I'm just going to use the original cable that came with the DJI power block here. So I'll just throw that away. And then I'm going to use this cable, the official DJI cable with the iClever charger. So let's plug it like so, and then plug the cable in the power block. And then the other side of this cable in the smart controller. And let's see what we get. Slow blinking. Oh, look at that. Fast blinking now. That's definitely a good sign. Let's power it up. Here we go. And see if we have a warning message about the slow speed. Nope. Here we go, guys. We are charging fast, no error message, nothing. The smart controller works right away perfectly and charging. So that's great. I guess I find the great replacement for the DJI brick, the smart controller power charger that it's dead now. Here we go with the iClever power block. Now I can charge my smart controller fast, the way it was charging with the original DJI power block. Here it is, fast charging still. And also you can see on the side there the little icon showing that it's charging. So all good to go. Here we go, guys. Excellent replacement charger for the DJI smart controller. Hope this video have been useful for you. Now you know what to buy in case if yours dies. So it's always great to have a replacement available, which is not crazy expensive as the original DJI one, but still works perfectly with DJI equipment. Alright, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.